How to sell on eBay. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open your eBay app on your phone. Then, in the bottom you can see there are various options. You want to go ahead and tap on Selling, that is on the bottom right corner. Now tap on List an item. In the top, you can type anything that you are going to sell on eBay. Now, let me type for a dress. Now the similar product will be shown here. And if it is relatable and if it's same, you want to tap on any of the item listed. Now you can see the verification of this dress, that is size, color, material, brand, neckline and other features of the dress. And in the bottom you can see if it is new or if it is old. You can do it accordingly. Then tap on Continue. As you do that, you will enter to this page where you want to fill up a form, where you want to enter the name of your country and then your address, your detailed address, your city, your province, state and region, and then postal code and your phone number. As you do that, you want to tap on Continue. And after that, interested buyer will contact you on eBay and you can sell your product. And that is how you can sell on eBay. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.